Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. Exercise number 5. Assembly of wheel roll. First, click New Assembly, then select Insert Components. Browse for the components to be assembled. Now, fix the component, and again select Insert Component, then search for the component to be assembled. Now select the face of the new component and the base surface of the fixed component and give coincident mate. Now select the side face of the both the components and give coincident mate. Select the end faces of the components too. Now select insert components and search for the new component to be assembled in this part. Now select the top face of the new component and the slot of the assembled part and give coincident mate. Select both the faces and again give coincident mate. Now under linear pattern command select mirror components and select the front plane of the assembled part as a mirror axis and specify the entities to be mirrored. Now select insert components and browse for the new component to be assembled within this part. Select the projection and hold within the assembled part and give concentric mate. Prevent the rotation using lock rotation option. Now select the outer faces of the assembled part and the projected face of the new component and give width mate. Now select linear pattern command and specify the direction of the pattern as the edge of the fixed part and specify the dimension for pattern. Finally select the entities to be patterned. Now in design library select toolbox, search for IS and select it. In bolts and screw select counters and head and select countersink square head. Now select the hole in which the bolt to be inserted in the assembled part. After selecting, then click OK. Now select the surface of the bolt and the inner hole within the assembled part, then give concentric mate. Change the mate alignment. Now select the top surface of the assembled part and the bolt and give coincident mate. Now select linear pattern, then specify the direction of pattern as the edge of the assembled part and the dimension in which the pattern to be produced. And finally select the entities to be patterned, which is the bolt. Now select design library then toolbox. Under bolt screws, select hex head, then select hexagonal fit bolt. Specify the dimensions of the bolt and select OK. In the assembly, in order to prevent the rotation of the bolt, select the mates of the bolt and in concentric, give lock rotation. Now select linear pattern and specify the direction of pattern as the edge of the assembled part. Select the entities to be patterned, then specify the dimension in which the pattern to be produced. Now, under linear pattern, select mirror component and select the front plane of the assembled part as an axis of mirror and select the entities to be mirrored. Which are the bolts and its linear patterns. That's it. Our assembly is done.